Hi, I'll talk about what happened with our trash Ecuador. Introduction. Garbage is any material considered as waste or waste and needs to be disposed of. It is a product of human activity and should not necessarily be to produce bad odors, to be repugnant or undesirable, because everything will depend on its origin and composition. Well, the body is the 85% of the solid waste that is generated in the country is thrown into the water, rivers or streams, wasteland and clandestine landfill. This is one of the results revealed by the research by Maria Fernanda Solis and supported by the Ecological Action Foundation on Waste Management in Ecuador. 14.91% of the country's solid waste goes to sanitary landfills, uh, and 7.17% on the coast, 70.91% in the Sierra, and 70.70% in the Oriente. But solely clarifies also the landfill sanitation is a good option. It does not warrant an integral processing of waste. Many times landfill can generate the same problems as open pits. Then in the cousins, a neighboring community, he said. The study of the country one pit has a process of chemical closure that is garbage continuing to generate harmful gas to the atmosphere. Solids point out that in a province of the country there is at least one case of conflict in which communities close to the dam have reported impacts on their health. Of the 72 sanitary landfills in Ecuador, 45 have environmental license, 11 have not, and 16 are in process. Another of the data revealed by the INEC was that 26% of the decentralized autonomous government place their garbage in controlled dumps. Spares are used temporarily there the residues are compacted in layers to reduce their volume and are confined periodically. The government objective is to have 80% of landfill after uh, to 2017, for which it has worked on strategy such as agreement signed between the Ministry of Environment and the different municipalities of the country. The objective is to promote technical closure, the creation of emerging cells, and the development of integral management projects with waste. Well, there are scenarios uh, to to make reduce the garbage. This process uh, consists uh, with according to the area of the 1 million ton of solid waste, plastic, paper, glass, battery that could be recycled in the country. 76 done in the world. Much of the potentially recyclable waste is collected by trucks and immediately deposited in open pits or sanitary landfills. In the second process, the recyclers caving in the trash bag before the truck arrives. They select the material that can be recycled and move them to a company that buys the waste for processing. Under this modality, in 2014, 20,000 recyclers in the country recovered more than 124,000 tons of recyclable material. Third process is this can respond to those results that eventually become raw material at the source classified then directly delivered then recycled or recycling company or deposited in inspected containers. The objective is transform the material. Well, in conclusion, this is important about the process because help will help the country to reduce the garbage and benefit the society, animals, biodiversity. Thank you.